Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today's short video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not showing in notification settings on iPhone in iOS 15. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, I want to tell you that I have iPhone 12 and WhatsApp is not visible even inside my iPhone 12 notification. Let me show you. To check notification, go to the settings of iPhone. After that, go to notification menu. So guys, as I told you before, I have an iPhone 12 and the WhatsApp is not visible here. You can see. You can see that the rest of the application is here, but the WhatsApp is not visible. Now the question arises, how do we manage the notification of WhatsApp application? Don't worry guys, you can easily manage your notification under the WhatsApp application. For this, you have to go to the WhatsApp app of your iPhone. After that, you have to go to settings menu. Then you have to go to notifications menu. Here, you can manage notification settings according to you. You can select your screen alert style under the in-app purchase, and here you can enable and disable message notification and group notification, and you can also select sound that you like. So guys, if you want to reset all notification settings, then click on reset notification settings. It will ask you wanna confirm, click on reset to confirm. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.